Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the Aquastrong Sump Pump 1 Hydrogen Phosphide, which is the best pump to empty your hot tub. This powerful submersible utility pump is not just perfect for hot tubs but also works wonders for swimming pools, garden ponds, basement windows, and more. At the heart of the Aquastrong Sump pump is a robust 1 HP motor that offers an impressive flow rate of up to 4,500 gallons per hour, meaning it's capable of draining a hot tub quickly and efficiently. It can lift water up to 30 feet, which makes it versatile enough to handle multiple drainage tasks. Whether it's a large pool or even a flooded basement, this pump is designed for convenience. Its portable design allows you to simply plug it in when you need it, and unplug when you're done. The bottom suction design ensures that it filters out debris, removing water down to just 1/5 inch from the surface, making it ideal for clearing out hot tubs and pools. One of the standout features of the Aquastrong Sump pump is its durability. Made from reinforced thermoplastic material, the casing is resistant to corrosion and abrasion. This means it will last you a long time, even with regular use. Additionally, it comes equipped with a thermal overload protector. That prevents the motor from overheating, ensuring it won't burn out, especially during dry runs. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included adapters for various discharge sizes, making it suitable for most drainage setups. Plus, the 10-foot all-certified power cord ensures safety and convenience, giving you the reach you need without worrying about extension cords. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and durable pump to help drain your hot tub or handle other water removal tasks around your home, the Aquastrong Sump Pump 1 HP is the perfect choice. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching.